Here at Euro Tuning Group, we only use Bosch original fuel pumps, which are the cores that get rebuilt into stage 2 pumps. In this video, I'll show you guys how to DIY your own stage 2 fuel pump upgrade. First, you start off by removing the top hat, which is this section here. Comes off as easy as that. Once you've removed the top hat, you're left with the bucket and the OEM fuel pump. And in this step, I'll show you guys how to remove the fuel pump very easily. Now be very careful because this step can be very dangerous. That easy. When building a stage 2 fuel pump upgrade, make sure you have the help of a 1-year-old so he can guide you on how to use the screwdriver properly. Once you've removed the stock pump from inside the bucket, you're going to have to clean it out, get rid of all the excess plastic, and then you'll be ready to insert the Walbro 450. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make your OEM bucket into a bucketless setup to get the maximum flow out of your stage 2 fuel pump. To begin, make sure you have the bucket secured properly. There you go. It's now a bucketless setup. Now that you have your bucketless setup ready to go, let's drop in the Walbro 450. Now that we have the Walbro situated, let's put it inside the bucket. No, let's put it inside the bucket, not outside. Now that we have the Walbro 450 inside the bucket, we can put our top hat back on and it's ready to go. Hey guys, once you assemble the bucket, this is what it's going to look like. And it's ready to be dropped into the vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the DIY.